Hola, bienvenidos. Soy Dora. Today is the beach cleanup treasure hunt. That's when we work together to clean up the Playa Verde beach. And while we're cleaning up, we also get to search for gold coins that our mommies and papis hid in the sand. Want to join our team and help? Fantastico! Let's look for things buried in the sand to see if we can recycle them. We can recycle things like newspaper, bottles, and cans so that they can be used again. To see what's under a mound of sand like this one, tap it 3 times. Go ahead and try it now. We found something. Great job. Let's recycle it. Let's look for something else to recycle. Hey, that's not a recyclable. That belongs on the beach. Mira, look at that turtle. Tap on him before he gets away with our gold. Perfecto! 5 more coins to add to our collection. Let's clean up the beach. Vámonos! All right, a gold coin. More coins to add to our collection. All right, a gold coin. More coins to add to our collection. All right, a gold coin. A can. Excelente! 5 more coins to add to our collection. A water bottle. Nice recycling. A milk jug. Excelente! Pablo, way to go green while looking for gold. Vamos, let's get this beach clean. A juice box. We got one. More coins to add to our collection. Un cangrejo ermitaño. Hello, hermit crab. A water bottle. Muy bien. Cuidado, there's a turtle. Muy bien. 5 gold coins to add to our collection. All right, a gold coin. More coins to add to our collection. A can. We just found something else to recycle. Muy bien. 5 gold coins to add to our collection. A tire. We got one. Go Alana. We make a great beach cleaning team. Wow, that is a clean beach. All right, a gold coin. A can. Nice recycling. More coins to add to our collection. Un cangrejo ermitaño. Hello, hermit crab. A milk jug. We just found something else to recycle. 5 more coins to add to our collection. A newspaper. Excelente! A juice box. Muy bien. Nice job, Emma. We'll get this beach cleaned in no time. Hola, Dora. Mariana, those turtles took our gold coins.
La Sirena Mala, the greatest mermaid in the ocean, has been sending her turtles to take everyone's gold to her treasure room. We need to follow them and get back your gold.
I can use the necklace you gave me to transform into a mermaid. Transformate! Uh-oh, an octopus guard. It's going to be hard to get past all those arms.
Dora, the octopus guard loves to dance. When he dances, he moves his arms, and then we can swim past.
Buena idea! Our sea creature friends can help us make a song to get the octopus guard dancing. Each sea creature makes its own special sound. Tap on the sea creatures to complete the pattern and play the song.
Great! Let's get that octopus guard dancing.
The pattern is conch. Hermit crab. Conch. Conch. Hermit crab. Conch. Conch. what comes next. Try again. Oops! Remember to follow the pattern. The pattern is conch. Hermit crab. Conch. You have conch. I see. Excelente. Let's finish this pattern. Try again. Oops! Remember to follow the pattern. The pattern is conch. All right, you completed the pattern.
Wow, he's looking even happier.
The pattern is seahorse, clownfish, seahorse, seahorse, clownfish, seahorse, seahorse. Tap on the sea creatures that come next. All right, let's finish this pattern.
Woohoo!
We did it! He's dancing! Now we can pass by.